Y'all, today was a day. I had a day. I don't even know where to begin. Let's start at 7 a.m. this morning. Hey everybody, welcome to my first travel vlog. If you're new here, my name is Ramoni and yesterday I landed in Costa Rica. I was really excited for this trip, but I do think that I was unprepared. This may sound silly, but I just was not prepared for the amount of bugs that would be in my room. I know that that seems like maybe such a silly problem to have, but I guess I was unprepared. I actually feel like I'm on the verge of tears right now. This is my first time traveling out the country by myself. I've been out the country before. All right, let's take a pause. Y'all know I would never get on this internet and cry. I do not like when people get on the internet and cry. So you know that it is extenuating circumstances. So be nice to me. I'm looking up here because it's a bug up here that unfortunately I'm gonna have to kill. Wait a minute. But this is my first time traveling out the country alone. I was gonna wait to vlog. I was gonna wait until I just felt more comfortable because like I said, this is night one. I feel like it'll be interesting to see the change because I'm sure I will not be crying all the time. And I'm sure that this will turn out to be a really fun experience. I guess I didn't even say why I'm here. I'm here because I'm a yoga instructor and I'm teaching yoga at a resort. So I'm excited. I don't teach my first class until 4 p.m. It is 7:28 a.m. I have a meeting with, I believe, the owner or her assistant or the operations manager at 9 a.m. I just got up, I got dressed. I'm waiting on this bug to come down so I can kill it. And then we are going to go to breakfast. I'm gonna pray that I have an amazing day, that I don't let small trivial things, it's like I'm saying it's small and trivial, but if y'all heard the animal noises outside mixed with the shit that's been in this room, it's been a lot. It was a gecko on the ceiling and now it's something else on the ceiling. I don't even know what this is, but I'm glad that the gecko was in here last night because this kind of seems like slight work. This is honestly a lot. I'm gonna do it because there's nobody else to do it. And I'm pretty sure the front desk is tired of me calling them because I called about the gecko last night. But like, I don't wanna be, and see, I feel like everything's scaring me. Something just fell out my shoe. I feel like he just saw me because then he started retreating. And I know you're probably thinking, Ramoni, you could have been hit it. I'm scared. And it has 6 legs. It got 6 legs, y'all. Yeah, okay. It went out. It's like over here. Oh, thank God. I ain't gotta kill no bug. last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I take by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, is out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. So I just made it to breakfast. It is 10:03. So I actually had to wait because breakfast didn't start until 8:30 a.m. But then I had a meeting at 9 a.m. So basically I'm eating now. Okay, so I'm back in my room. I just ate breakfast. Breakfast was so good. I'm feeling a lot better than when you saw me earlier. I'm feeling a whole lot better, mainly because there's so many bugs outside that the ones in here don't matter. It's 10:31 right now. I took a tour of the facility and they told me everything I was gonna be doing. I saw the yoga room. I'll show y'all the yoga room later when I teach my first class. I have what, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. I have 6 hours until my first class. They just told me I'm gonna have to pack up my room because they're moving me to another room. So everything that I unpacked yesterday, I'm gonna pack right now. And I guess I'll just see where the day takes me because I don't have any plans other than that yoga class. So I just finished lunch. It was really good. I was sitting with a group of women at lunch that I ended up meeting earlier. They are on a retreat here. So we get to talking, and basically I just booked a speaking engagement because one of the ladies is a finance coach. We were just talking about my journey with yoga and my journey traveling abroad, just how I stayed motivated like throughout this whole journey. And basically she said that she has an academy and she wants me to speak to her students. So we scheduled that, and I was just like, wow, like this is just really divine timing. Last week I was writing my goals down, and one of my goals was like to speak on a workshop or like speak on a panel, like speak at a workshop or on a panel. And so the fact that that opportunity just kind of like landed in my lap is amazing. And it just goes to show like you just really have to trust your gut, trust your instinct, and just do what you know you're meant to do. Like, yes, this was scary, not like really scary, but y'all know earlier I was going through it just because I was anxious. But I just kind of like shook it off, talked to people, was just my natural self, just told my story. And that just goes to show you that like your story can take you places. Like even if you think your story is regular, you think what you've been through is regular, what you do is regular, somebody can be motivated and inspired by that. So just always tell your story, be authentic. I'm really feeling good right now. I know that I was tripping earlier. But I'm feeling really good being here. So I'm supposed to teach my first class in about 10 minutes, but as you can hear, it is pouring outside, so I don't know if anybody is coming to class. Hope you can hear me, but I'm still gonna get ready for class just like I would any other class. And if people show up in the rain, cool. If not, then I'll just do yoga by myself.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark purple, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit
I'm headed back from the gym. I taught my first yoga class. It went really good. Everybody said that they enjoyed it. I hear stuff running through the trees, but I'ma just... Okay, we're gonna walk a little bit faster. Basically, everybody said that they really like... Oh my God, I hear something running. Wait, I can't. I'm not gonna be able to do this. I am walking up a long road to get back to the resort. Dinner starts in about 40 minutes, so I'm gonna edit some content and chill. I'm gonna try to eat dinner early, but I wanted to wait just because with my stay I only get 3 free meals, so it's like I can't eat no extras. I wanted to wait till the end of the night, but it honestly gets pitch black, and I live at the top of a hill and it's dark. So I'm gonna eat, or I'm gonna edit this content, I'm gonna eat, and then I'll be in my room. All right, so I'm currently editing this vlog that you're watching right now, and as you can see, it's dark behind me. So I know that it's gonna be a little dark when I go upstairs to go to sleep, but I'm just waiting until dinner, and then, yeah.
And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen? Better yet, with your friends.
Oh, y'all. This is too much. It is pitch black back here. I'm not trying to be scary, but like, I'm scared. I literally came back from dinner and all of these bugs were in my room and I literally just killed all of them. So when I say I'm going through it, this isn't even all of it, but when I say I'm going through it, I'm going through it. I had to go back downstairs when I was walking in here and ask the girl from the front desk to walk me up here because I'm not about to walk in the rainforest alone. I'm not about to do it. I tried. I actually didn't try. I'm not doing that shit. But now I'm just killing bugs as they come in. I don't know if it's a crack in here or what. Tonight I'm gonna see if Amazon Prime delivers here. And I say that because we literally live on top of a freaking hill. I'm gonna see if Amazon delivers here. And I just need to stop looking at the ceiling because it's always gonna be something up there. I'm gonna see if Amazon deliver here, and if they do, I'm going to get me some rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle, and I'm gonna spray it around my room. I'm gonna get, sorry, hold on, I have to kill something. Sorry about that. I'm gonna get some rubbing alcohol and I'm gonna spray it around my room. And one of my followers on Instagram told me to get some boric acid. So I'm also going to order that and I'm going to spray it around my room. Oh, and I'm gonna order me a net to go on top of this bed so that nothing jumps down on me. But in the meantime, in between time, I will be snuggled up in the motherfucking covers. I just took a shower and just continued to kill bugs. I just asked the front desk if there's something I can spray in the meantime, but the Wi-Fi keeps going in and out, so I'm not really able to like watch any TV on my laptop or anything, so I'm probably just going to read. It is like 8 p.m., but honestly, I don't know anybody. Well, like I met people, but you know, I don't know nobody. We live on top of a mountain, so it's not like I can just drive down. So I'm gonna just chill. I brought a few books here, so I'm gonna read. If the Wi-Fi permits, I'm gonna watch TV. Honestly, today was interesting. I won't say good or bad. It was just different. I'm really out of my comfort zone. Maybe this will be good for me, but right now I'm just kind of like, the crackheads in LA wasn't that bad. Like, it wasn't that bad. I could go back. But I'm going to see how this goes. I'm gonna see if anything changes. I'm going to check back in with y'all next week and, oh no, that's not a bug. I'm gonna check back in with y'all next week and hopefully I'll be singing a different tune. I'll be the first one to say, I thought that solo traveling was going to be, I figured it would be a little difficult just being by myself, but I'm really feeling, I don't know, like just being alone in a different country. I think I would be okay if I wasn't dealing with the bugs and like living at the top of the hill in the back. But that mixed with being alone out here is just, I don't know, it's not making me have the experience that I thought I would have. But as I was praying a little earlier, I was just like, God, I really want this to be an amazing experience. Like, I want to find the positivity in it. Because I'm pretty sure I seem like a negative Nancy. I want to find the positivity in it, and I know that it'll come. I just have to continue to stay here, and once I get the netting for my bed and I'm sure I get the bug spray and stuff, I think I'll be cool. All right, the front desk just brought me some Raid, so I'm about to spray that. Okay, so it's actually in Spanish. Cause girl, I thought I was about to read some directions, but no, I'm actually not. I'm just spraying in the corners of, actually I'm spraying the perimeter. Oh shit. Okay, no, that was just a feather. That was just a feather. Honestly, these bugs better be scared of me because oh, I'm not to be played with. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.